Could you tell us a little bit more about that research?
So the research, I actually ended up in animal science for my PhD. So I ended up in our counterpart and really the grandfather of food science is what I was told by the animal scientists. Apparently they came first, so we have to give them their props. But I ended up working with produce safety and working with hydroponic tomatoes and looking at the safety that could be a risk, the safety risks that could occur in those settings. When we talk about produce safety, many people talk about whether it's safe to eat or whether it's nutritious. But with a lot of different outbreaks that we've been seeing occurring with produce, we're starting to look at what is the source that could lead to contamination of those produce? How does bacteria go from wherever it comes from and end up with the produce item? And so my project looked into the water safety of the hydroponic system. Water is a big issue for produce. It is used to help it nourish to grow, but it also can transport a lot of those foodborne pathogens that could make it contaminated, which could lead to people becoming ill. And so we were looking at if the water was contaminated with a foodborne pathogen, could that lead to the actual product becoming, final product having the pathogens in it? With the setup that we had, it did not, as it was set up the correct way. But we did have an accident where the system broke, and that's when we saw contamination, which in real life, those type of situations come, and those type of situations could lead to one of those outbreaks that you could see in real life.